my God, guys. Tsaka reach lang natin itong 100k subscribers. Oh my God. Na-overwhelm ako. Ang saya-saya ko. Oh my God. I reached it now. Oh my God. 100k subscribers. Ay, 100k subscribers. Ano ba yan? Katangahan ko? 100 subscribers. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Intro na tayo. What's up everybody, this is your ex, Imxjade page. In today's video, we will be doing a unboxing. Unboxing my silver play button. Kahit ako lang gumawa niya. Pero kunyari lang, alam niyo kung saan ako nakuha ng parcel nito? Yung mga order ni mama. Oh, alam niyo, talino ko. So, OOTD of the day. A-shirt, kasi magpo-film pa ako ngayon. And then, may isa pa ako i-film. And then, stands from Shopee. Oh, eto pala guys, this parcel pouch. Wala nang disinfect kasi super tagal na nito na nasa akin kasi yung feel niya, ganun. Isa Shopee haul, pagkatapos di pala. So, kinip ko na lang, baka magamit. And then, nandito pa yung number. Oh my God, nandito pa. Okay, so, 313 po lahat plus shipping fee. 4. So, diba, girl? Let's start with unboxing. So, sabi kasi ni YouTube kanina, you need some pentel pen. So, kasi medyo kulang-kulang daw. Pero syempre, gawa-gawa ko lang yung kulang-kulang. So, totoo naman kasi kulang-kulang. So, parang naka 1 week na yan naka-package. Pero matagal na yan ginawa ko yung play button natin dyan. So, dun tayo, punta tayo sa pinag-shootan natin kahapon. Nag-shoot kasi ako kahapon eh. So, dito tayo. Oh my God, medyo mainit pa. Doon na lang. Oh my God. Abangan nyo sa dulo, may pag-giveaway tayo. For the first time. Oh my God. Hey guys. It's your girl. Oh my God, guys. Meron tayo ditong cutter. And then, kunyari na naman to. Oh, imo girl, oh, imo. Oh, ito talaga, di ba? Katanga. Wow! Mahal to, 50 pesos. Kahit alam ko na kung ano, excited na ako kasi after 2 years yata of being 2018 September yata. 19. Oh my God, magto 2 years na tayo this September. Anniversary naman dyan YouTube, oh. Jawa naman. First, ribbon raw. Medal natin. Meron tayong medal. Thank you so much, YouTube. Magagamit ko to. Oh my God, ninja van. Kasi sabi ni YouTube, hindi na nakarating ay sa Manila lang daw. Pagkatapos, pina-GNP na lang nila. I don't mean that guys ha. So, may pa-letter. Lagyan natin dito. May pa-letter si YouTube. Mira. Congrats for reaching 100 subscribers. Diba ang pangit ang sulat ko? Oh my God! Oh my God. So tatanggalin natin tong blue na to. Oh my God. Oh my God. May number pa. Katangahan ko. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nag-effort pa si YouTube. Oh, yung pa sticker. Calling card draw. So, number po ay 09. Joke lang. Wala tong number. Oh my God. May papel. Siyempre ako lang save. Pero gagamitin ko rin to sa online class. Lumang papel ko pa to nung, oh my God, may basura. Confetti raw to. May pa-confetti. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Papel! Oh my God! So, syempre, mga papeles to na pwede na akong ikulong. Ganun. Joke lang, guys. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! So, syempre, may
Gamit na natin to kasi OA tayo. So, oh my God, katangahan talaga. Oh, when katangahan hits you. Wala pala tong bato. Ewan ko ba? Syempre, tinapalan ko lang to para hindi mukhang galing sa iba. Para kunyari raw, galing kay YouTube. Tapos, galing lang naman sa akin. Syempre, my God. So, ako, ganyan. Tularan nyo. Pag mag-reach tayo ng 100 subscribers, baka next time, 1,000 subscribers na naman yung makuha natin. Sige naman guys, oh. 1,000 subscribers naman. Please. Baka next time, 1 million subscribers. Joke. Katang. My God. So, diba? May lamok. So, magamit na natin to. Kasi ayaw niya matanggal. Nagamit rin natin. And nagpi-film ako ng 2 videos yata. Oh my God! Oh my God! This is from YouTube! Thumbnail! So walang label, katangahan ni Jade Anyasco talaga. Oh my God! So tatanggalin natin. Ang tagal ko tong ginawa, guys, para maging silver. 'Di ba? Perfect. Oh my God! Sa likod, greatest fight ay may sweet na caramel. Nagdudulot sa sarap na may coffee at may sweet na caramel. Sweet na nam. Diba kulang siya? So, lagyan natin dito. Congrats Jade Anyas. So, ganun. Siyempre, gandahan naman natin para kunyari raw. Baka next time, totoo na talaga. Oh my God. Ayaw tuminta. Congrats lang nasulat ko. Ayaw kasing tuminta. So, since double to, only legends know this. Diba? Ganyan. 4. Diba? Gamitin nyo yung katalinuhan nyo. Huwag nyo akong ganyahin. Sige na nga. Congrats lang. Hey guys! Oh my God! Since unboxing! My first unboxing. So, syempre, para mabilis natin i-edit sa PixArt. Thumbnail. Okay guys. Since nakaabot kayo hanggang dulo, meron tayong giveaway. Huwag kayong mag-expect na super bongga ng giveaway ko. Pero, I'll be giving away intros for aspiring YouTubers like me. So, there will be 10 winners. So, 10 winners of Guys, gagawin ko na lang 12 winners. Okay. Intro. So, you can just comment hashtag 100k first shade kit. Ay, wag na lang. Comment. The following videos or clips here are the intros that you want to win. Guys, I'm really sorry. Ako na po nag-apologize for this video kasi hindi pa po ako nakagawa ng aesthetic intros. Pero, I'll post, after this video is post, I'll post another video which is called the intro samples for my intro giveaway. Okay? By the way, there are 12 winners and I think nasabi ko na yung mechanics, pero sasabihin ko ulit. The mechanics are, please do subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, like this video, and then the next video I'll put that here or here or here. I'll put that, watch that video so you can choose what intro you want, and then go back to this video, comment what do you want, comment hashtag 100 subscribers, and then write it what intro do you want, like aesthetic intro, the parang Zainab Harake. I don't know what is the name of that, basta. Okay, bye. Comment nyo lang Happy 100k happy 100 subscribers, Jade. And then okay guys, the mechanics for this mini intro giveaway, there are 12 winners in this intro. Just comment hashtag happy 100 subscribers, and then comment what intro do you want. Do you want the Benedict Wa inspired intro, yung parang Zainab Harake na intro, yung parang tatay chana all you wanna, ganyan. And then, tapos may beauty guru, and then yung parang yun lang, tatlong intro. So there are, I'll try to multiply 6. Basta gawin ko lang yatang 4 types of intro. So I'll try the beauty guru one, the Benedict Wa, and then yung parang simple intros lang, and then aesthetic intro. Okay, thank you, bye. Isulat nyo kung anong intro gusto nyo. Ay, basta meron akong intros of making mga intros for you. So I'll put some samples in the end, like beauty guru intro, like mga parang intro lang. So if gusto nyo, okay, just comment lang. Kasi mag-film pa ako ngayon. Okay guys, please do make sure to comment. Please do make sure to comment on my video. Please do make sure to subscribe to the channel to be part of the hashtag the family of First Trade Kit. Okay guys, follow me on my social media accounts down below. This is Imxjade signing out. Bye!
Don't